Hello everyone, Jonathan Schlack, EAS&Weather here with a severe weather update. Starting off with the day one outlook. I'm going to start you off in the Gulf Coast first because that's really the focus of incoming tropical cyclone Beryl. We have a slightly severe weather today that covers parts of southeastern Texas and southwestern Louisiana, extreme southwestern corner of Louisiana, I should say. And that is again in association with tropical cyclone Beryl, with a marginal risk today that surrounds the slight. So, going up here, we have a slight risk for severe weather today that covers parts of south central, southwestern Oklahoma, as well as a teeny tiny part of the panhandle of Oklahoma. We have a slight risk for severe as well. The slight risk for severe weather today also covers parts of north central Texas. So, and we also have a marginal risk today that covers southeastern Colorado, parts of western Kansas, northeastern New Mexico, the panhandle of Oklahoma, as well as central Oklahoma, and parts of northern Texas. So, going to the tornado threat for today, with a 5% chance of an isolated tornado today that covers parts of southeastern Texas and extreme southwestern Louisiana, and we have a 2% that surrounds the 5%, and again, that is in association with the incoming approach of Tropical Cyclone Beryl. So, going over to the wind, we have a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today that covers parts of north central Texas, south central, southwestern, and a tiny part of the panhandle of Oklahoma. And we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today that covers parts of southeastern Colorado, southwestern or western Kansas, central part of Oklahoma, and the panhandle of Oklahoma, as well as northeastern New Mexico and northern Texas. So, we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today that covers southeastern Texas and southwestern Louisiana, and again, that is in association with approaching Tropical Cyclone Beryl. And going over to the hail, we have a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today that covers southwestern Oklahoma, as well as a teeny tiny part of the panhandle of Oklahoma. And we have a 5% chance of hail 1 inch in diameter or larger today that covers southeastern Colorado, southwestern and western Kansas, western Oklahoma including the panhandle, and north central Texas. So, and going to the summary, a few tornadoes will be possible along the middle to upper Texas coast and the southwest Louisiana as Tropical Cyclone Beryl approaches the coast and makes landfall later tonight. Scattered severe thunderstorms are possible across parts of Oklahoma into northern and northwestern portions of Texas. So, that's today's outlook. Going to the day 2 outlook, I'm going to start you off over here. Excuse me. We have a slight risk for severe weather tomorrow that covers south central Arkansas, western Louisiana, and eastern Texas. And again, there is an association with Tropical Cyclone Beryl as it makes landfall early tomorrow. Late in and early tomorrow. So, we have a marginal tomorrow that covers parts of eastern Texas, central Louisiana, far western Mississippi, a lot of Arkansas, and southeastern Missouri. So, and again, associated with Beryl. We have a marginal risk tomorrow that covers parts of southwestern Texas. So, going into the tornado threat for tomorrow, we have a 5% chance of an isolated tornado tomorrow that covers parts of south central Arkansas, eastern Texas, and western Louisiana. We have a 2% chance of an isolated tornado tomorrow that covers parts of eastern Texas, central Louisiana, western Mississippi, far western Mississippi, I should say, a lot of Arkansas, and southeastern Missouri. And again, associated with Tropical Cyclone Beryl. Going over to the wind, we have 2 areas where we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour or higher. And going over here, starting off over here, because this is the main focus. We have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour or higher tomorrow that covers eastern Texas, central and western Louisiana, far western Mississippi, most of Arkansas, and southeastern Missouri. Going over here, we also have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour or higher tomorrow that covers southwestern Texas. So, going over to the hail, for tomorrow we have a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow that covers southwestern Texas. So, going over to the summary, at least an isolated risk for tornadoes will be possible across parts of eastern Texas into western Louisiana and southwestern Arkansas tomorrow, Monday. A couple of severe gusts or instances of hail may also occur in southwestern Texas. So, that's all I got for today. So, stay safe in the affected areas both today and tomorrow. And areas in the direct path of barrel, stay safe. So, heed warning from the National Weather Service and the National Hurricane Center. So, again, stay safe from barrel. And I will have another update tomorrow. Take care.